Hello students, today we are going to study about Maharashtra before Shivaji, which is our first lesson. Before that, I would like to give you a short information on Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19th February and it is the most important day for all the people of Maharashtra. This day we celebrate as Shiva Jayanti, that is Shivaji Jayanti, with great pomp and respect. On this day we sing songs and povadas. Here povadas means poetry which were said during the 17th century in his honor. We garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. But who was this Shivaji Maharaj and why do we celebrate his birthday every year? Do you know that? Let us see now. The period in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was medieval period. In this period, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects, named as Mughal Emperor Akbar in north and Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south. Dear children, just remember this. In history, the word subject means people. At the same period, Shivaji Maharaj was also great king of that time and had a great respect even today. About 400 years before, Maharashtra was not free. Maharashtra was divided among two parts and was ruled by two sultans. Nizam Shah, the Sultan of Ahmednagar, and Adil Shah, the Sultan of Bijapur, ruled over Maharashtra and also divided into two parts. These sultans were enemies of each other. These two sultans never gave respect to the people and their religion. Under their rule, people suffered and could not get enough food to eat. They also couldn't celebrate their festivals or worship their god. People were also not safe in their own house. There were many Watandars in Maharashtra assigned by Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, who were the two Watandars and owned Jagir. They only loved their Jagir and not their people. They also fought among themselves. Hence, people were tired of them and were unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj was born at Shivneri Fort on 19th February. He saw the bad condition of the people when he grew up and decided to fight for his people. He decided to establish Swarajya in Maharashtra. For this, he used the two Watandars who fought among themselves to establish Swarajya. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swarajya in Maharashtra based on justice, fair play and equality to the people of all caste and religion. Here, Swarajya means own rule. Swa means our own and Rajya means rule. He made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. Distinction means difference. He honored the saints of all religion. Honored means respect. During the period about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in successful efforts in establishing Swarajya. Shivaji Maharaj was a great king. He gave us safe and happy life. Therefore, every year on 19th February, we celebrate his birthday in his memory and say Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. I hope you all must have enjoyed listening to this explanation on Shivaji Maharaj. We will continue with a small revision of the same lesson in our next session. Thank you for watching the video.